I think we need to move rapidly. I think that we are at a disadvantage with the uncertainty. The professional staff don't know what they'll be doing a year from now. We also have the Montgomery Business Development Corporation, whose staff don't know what they're going to be doing a year from now. So I've been briefed on the county executive's proposal. My sense is that the council will move forward with the creation of a new entity, but I have not yet had the chance to touch base with all of my colleagues. We don't yet have the proposal before us. But we cannot let this decision linger. One way or another, it needs to be resolved rapidly. I'd like to see us turn to it right after the budget so that we can move forward with our economic development efforts without a lot of uncertainty on the part of the staff who need to be carrying those efforts out. So I do support the concept, and I don't know if a majority of the council does. I'm going to be working to ascertain that and reach a conclusion rapidly before we go on summer recess.